no, not chopping this car up. We have a donor. The donor we can't put on the road. The engine's blown. And it's a perfect body that we can use to build our drift car.
This is the Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 4. Designed for grip, engineered for traction, totally wrong for drifting. That's exactly why we're doing it. EVOs are meant to go forward. Drifting, that's rear-wheel drive territory. Your S chassis, your A86s, your RX-7s, cars that want to go sideways. The EVO, not so much. This is Harry, a man who's about to do unspeakable things to the EVO 4. This is David, his partner in mechanical crime.
We're going to take a car that Mitsubishi spent millions on, making it unspinnable. And we're going to be taking it and turning it into a spin machine.
Drifting started in Japan in the late 70s. The street races performing high-angle slides through the mountain passes. One driver in particular, Keiichi Tsuchiya, made it an art form and became known as the Drift King. From there, drifting went pro. D1 Grand Prix in Japan, Formula Drift in the US, every successful drift car since, rear-wheel drive. The EVO 4 is, well, not. When Mitsubishi launched the EVO 4 in 1996, it was a total rethink. The engine was flipped 180 degrees for better packaging, the chassis was stiffer, and the big new trick was active yaw control, a computer-controlled rear differential which could literally push the car towards corners. And that's why using this as a drift car is madness. We're taking out every part that Mitsubishi engineered to make this car grip and replacing it with parts to do the exact opposite.
So rally cars don't need a huge amount of angle. Drift cars do. So we're going to have to rework the knuckles, change the position of the steering rack, get the Ackerman angles right, so we can get about a 65-degree angle on the front wheels. So to get this EVO to drift, we've got to get rid of a few things. We've got to get rid of the side shafts, get rid of the front diff, lock the rear diff, and put all the power to the back wheels. The best part about having a donor car like we have, where you can't put it on the road, where you can't use the motor because the motor's blown, is that we can turn it into whatever we want.
Yeah.
And it'd be the coolest car for me.